Hello all, it is I, the striking Viking, coming to you from deep in the urban farm. Nice to see you all, our YouTube friends and family. And what's new today, you might ask? Well, you might ask. As you know, we've lost a couple of chickens and it looks like we've found some more. These are Echo and Chamber, Sammy and Cammy. Cute little buggers, aren't they? They're I don't even know what they are. I think one is supposed to be a silver-laced Wyandotte and the others are supposed to be, oh, your guess is as good as mine. In any case, there are four there, out of which one is most likely to be a rooster since they came from the mixed bin. We tried to pick all girls to replace the ones that we have lost. And these will not be going out for a little while yet because they're still quite young. But we have the Cackle Shack and the Chick Poulet Gang. And we haven't yet merged them. That's going to be our next step. And that should take place within about the next 2 weeks. So say hello to Echo and Chamber, Sammy and Cammy. Yeah, they're pretty talkative. Anyway, that's it from the urban farmstead. Thanks for coming along. Recommend us to our friends and family. Like, comment, subscribe. We love to see your comments and we like to reply to them. Anyway, the most important thing to remember to do, keep trippin'.